How to install a dual truck battery system. Are you looking to boost your truck's power supply? Installing a dual battery system can be a game changer, especially for long hauls. Let's break down how to do it step by step. First, let's clarify what a dual battery system is. It consists of two batteries, one main battery for starting the engine and a second auxiliary battery for powering accessories. This setup helps prevent draining the starter battery and ensures you have backup power when needed. To get started, gather your tools and parts. You will need a second battery, a battery tray or mount, heavy-duty battery cables that are usually for gauge or thicker, a battery isolator or relay, circuit breakers or fuses, and basic hand tools. Next, find a secure location for the auxiliary battery. It should be close to the main battery and protected from vibrations and road debris. Use a battery tray or custom mount to secure it firmly in place. Now let's connect the batteries. For a 12-volt system, connect the positive terminals of both batteries using a heavy-duty cable. This is called a parallel connection, which keeps the voltage at 12 volts. Avoid connecting them in series, as that would create 24 volts and could damage your truck's electrical system. Install the battery isolator or relay between the batteries. This device allows the alternator to charge both batteries while preventing the auxiliary battery from draining the starter battery when the engine is off. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the correct connections, usually between the positive terminals of both batteries. Ground both batteries using a thick ground cable. Connect the negative terminal of the auxiliary battery to the truck's chassis or a dedicated grounding point. Do the same for the main battery if it is not already grounded. Now add circuit protection. Install a circuit breaker or fuse near the positive terminal of the auxiliary battery. This protects the system from short circuits, which is especially important in large trucks where wiring can be long and exposed to harsh conditions. Next, connect your accessories. Run power cables from the auxiliary battery to your accessories, making sure to use appropriate fuses or breakers for each circuit. This keeps your main battery dedicated to starting the engine and running essential truck systems. Before you hit the road, test the system. Check all connections for tightness and correct polarity. Use a multimeter to check the voltage at both batteries and ensure the isolator or relay is functioning properly. This testing process is similar to testing a truck battery with a multimeter, but now you are checking two batteries and their connections. Here are some practical tips for truck owners. Label all cables and connections for easy troubleshooting. Keep the wiring tidy and secure to prevent damage from vibrations. Regularly inspect the system for corrosion or loose connections, and test both batteries with a multimeter as part of your routine maintenance. Installing a dual battery system in your truck can provide reliable backup power and protect your starter battery. This setup is ideal for long-haul trucking and running multiple accessories.